Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable your endpoints and get your API key as well as your API key secret in order to start using the Infura MiniDapp on Minima. The first step is to go over to app.infura.io and create a free account. Once you've done that and you've logged in, you'll be redirected to this dashboard right here. Your first key will already be generated. All you'll have to do is click on it. Once you're on this page, you'll have to tick 3 boxes. First, the mainnet and Sepolia networks for Ethereum must be enabled. So make sure you tick these 2 boxes and make sure you tick this gas API box at the bottom. Once you've done that, make sure you save the changes. Now, you can already get your API key on this screen by copy pasting this token right here at the top left, and you can get your API key secret by heading over to the settings tab in the top right, not the one at the top. You can see your API key secret is here and you'll have to reveal it, then copy paste it and put it in the Infura MiniDapp. You're good to go.